Hi! Today we're going to be taking on BOSS review at Spin Masters, BAKUGAN, Battle Planet, Battle Brawlers, Booster Pack, 10 card pack. So, yeah. So, yeah, they said that, you could download the game in the App Store. I guess it's true for iOS users. But Android users from the Google Play Store, no, that's complete BS. Well, nowadays it is. So, yeah. The app wasn't that great when it came out. The anime was pretty garbage. I mean, Dan does not look like Dan from the original Bakugan. And there's been so many Bakugan. There's Bakugan, um, Metallium Surge, Bakugan, Bakutat, and all those ones, which I think was a little bit better than Battle Planet here. So the anime of Battle Planet, complete garbage, because you don't even see them like really rolling on the Bakugans that much and stuff. And they don't really explain in the anime what a Bakugan is, and they don't even play the Bakugan cards in the anime. They're just like, Bakugan, follow the Bakugan. Oh, it landed on a Bakugan, okay. But they don't use cards. I mean, at least in the original one, they're like, okay, my Bakugan stands. Now, Bakugan, whoa, Bakugan stand. Alright, here, that card says it does this. Then I'll pull this non-metallic card out of my hand and activate its special ability. You activate another non-metallic card out of your hand. Okay, I'll card with another one until we have no more cards in our hand that's, non-magnetic and stuff. Yeah, way better than the original ones, I think. This one, the toy line looks pretty good, and they do have a new faction in here, the new special diamond faction, which all it is just clear, translucent, white pieces of plastic Bakugan. So I guess it's kind of cool that we do got a new faction finally, a special diamond faction. But there's not really anything to support diamond faction, like card-wise or anything, or Bakugans. And the toys are just way too overpriced. I think back in the day they were kind of high, but a little bit more reasonable. Nowadays, the Battle Planet Bakugan, one Bakugan is like 12 to 15 bucks. A Battle Pass is like around 30 bucks for like a 3 to 5 pack. Bakugan, way, way, way too overpriced. Yeah, and I don't. And you could go to Bakugan.com and SpinMaster.com. Links down below in the description there. I don't know why they put these cards in these little covered boxes that's hard to get out. Because time you open them up out of the boxes, you destroy the artwork on the box, which it has fantastic artwork on there, but why? I mean, like if they wanted to do it for a security reason, just put it in a little plastic clamshell that, you gotta take a pair of scissors and cut it out. Or just put like one of those little security tapes on it, those little plastic things that they put on sometimes on some pages. They have that little metallic strip in there. That if you walk out the door and it goes beep 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 beep, and you're like, oh man, I got caught stealing a pair of cards. Like I didn't get caught stealing like a TV or a car stereo. It was a freaking pair of cards. Like I don't know why they don't do that. Putting these in the boxes wastes cardboard. It has nice artwork, but what's the point of putting artwork on there if it's gonna get destroyed when you open it up? So yeah, I just hate when Pokemon and Bakugan do something like this. Like they want to sell a pair of cards, but they put in this. I mean, at least with other cards that like Yu-Gi-Oh and Pokemon do, they put in like those little cardboard boxes that kind of have like a little clamshell on there. That at least you know what's going on. You can see the pad, what the pad looks like, and it's easier, and you don't destroy the bots and the artwork on the bots and stuff. But this is just complete garbage, in my opinion. Because it's kind of like, do they want you not to open it up? Or what? I mean, seriously. I mean, look at this. It's just getting all tore up. And we're not even at where the cards are. I mean, yeah. Just to get a little stupid pair of cards takes you about 5 to 7 minutes just to open up and let the pack how Guards and Destroyer looks. Considering that the artwork looks very nice artwork, but when you're done, it's Guards. Because I know some collectors will like to open up the packages, tear out the product, see what they got for the product inside, and then keep the box or the package in, you know, to display it, pin it on their wall and stuff. But yeah, way to go, companies! You don't think, you don't use your head. So the back of the package kind of looks more like a Pokemon pack. I don't know how good you can see it there, but it's a little tear notch tab right here, which looks like it already got torn. So yeah, there's that's going on. Kind of looks like someone from the company already wanted to take a peek and see what's in there. Wouldn't doubt me. If some factory worker did that.